Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, Ramadan greetings and blessings upon you. I am Harun Rashid Umari Naziri, Chairman and founder of Amra Educational and Welfare Trust, Katihar, Bihar, India. It has been moving towards its destination 9 executive years. This institution has done a work of educational awareness among the people with great needs. It has presented a beautiful combination of religious and modern education for the nation, and it has played a significant role in advancing especially poor and orphan children. Dear brothers and sisters, Amra Educational and Welfare Trust has almost 6 educational branches. One of Jamia Amra Ansariya for girls, Mahad Hassan for memorizing of Holy Quran for boys, and Dawa and Guidance Center, welfare activities and charitable dispensary, computer and stitching center for learning for free of cost. Amra Educational and Welfare Trust has main 2 educational branches. One of Jamia Amra Ansariya for girls for Alima and Fazila course. And second is Mahad Hassan Litahfiz al-Quran al-Kareem for memorization of the Holy Quran for boys. Jamia Amra and Mahad Hassan both are residential institutions. In both institutions, 410 students are getting knowledge and tarbiyah. Among of them, 250 students are underprivileged fooding and lodging. Among of them, 50 students are totally dependent on the zakat and donations. So I request to all brothers and sisters to come forward and donate for them generously and get reward more and more in this holy Ramadan. Barakallahu fikum. For more information, please contact on 8521217509 and 9092681630 and visit us on www.amraewt.org. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.